Welcome back to Vibe Vocab Boost. Today, we're diving into the avian realm. How do you talk about bird species, their ecology, and their incredible journeys? Liam and Chloe meet Dr. Alex, an ornithologist, who reveals the subtleties of swan elegance, parrot intelligence, and the instinct driving migration. Listen for 30+ advanced words and fluency phrases. Time to boost your English about biodiversity.
After all the commotion at the panda exhibit, this place is so serene. Look at those swans. They are incredibly graceful and elegant as they glide.
Absolutely. Note their plumage and size. They appear quite territorial in protecting their space. They are truly magnificent.
Excuse me. We are so fascinated by the birds. We don't want to interrupt, but we were wondering about the swans.
I'm Dr. Alex, an ornithologist. These mute swans are common, but the most imposing is the trumpeter swan. Did you know they are monogamous and mate for life? Their courtship involves synchronous wing spreading and head bobbing.
Mate for life, that shows true devotion. I also read they build massive nests.
Indeed, their nests, made of aquatic vegetation, and be over 10 feet across and are often built on old beaver dams. The female does most of the incubation, but both parents are meticulous in raising their cygnets.
That's incredible family cohesion. Now, Dr. Alex, what about the most beautiful bird, the Quetzal? Its red and green coloring is so resplendent.
The resplendent Quetzal is truly breathtaking. Its iridescent feathers change color from gold to blue depending on the light, a phenomenon known as structural color. That long, streaming tail feather on the male is actually the upper tail coverts.
I heard they are very shy. How does a bird with such conspicuous colors hide in the cloud forest?
Their green color provides perfect camouflage amidst the lush canopy. They remain quiet and motionless for long periods. Interestingly, they rely heavily on fruits, acting as a crucial seed disperser in their fragile ecosystem.
That's an important ecological role. Now, shifting to intelligence, can we talk more about parrots? Beyond just speech, how smart are they?
Parrots possess incredible social intelligence. The African gray can not only mimic speech but also understand concepts. Some species, like the Goffin's cockatoo, have been observed spontaneously making and using tools.
Tool use. That's a behavior we usually attribute to primates. Their social structure must be quite complex then.
They are highly gregarious, forming large communal roosts. Learning from peers is fundamental to their survival, a type of social learning that develops their culture within the group.
It's sad that such unique birds are facing threats. Now, are most of the birds here affected by the arduous phenomenon of migration?
Migration is driven by instinct. They follow flyways out paths covering thousands of miles. Their ability to navigate is dependent on an innate biological compass, tuned to the Earth's magnetic field and celestial cues.
I heard the weather has been turbulent. Does that make the journey more perilous?
Turbulent weather can be highly detrimental. Yet, they show incredible resilience to survive and continue to their destination.
What is this single biggest conservation challenge they face?
The most significant threat is habitat fragmentation. Their flyways are broken up by human development. This makes the crucial stopover sites even more important. Loss of these sites is catastrophic.
Dr. Alex, it's fascinating to see the interdependence of these traits: the swan's monogamy, the parrot's social learning, and the migrant's instinctive navigation.
That's an excellent observation. These are all part of complex evolutionary strategies to maximize propagation and survival. From the microscopic structural colors to the macromigration paths, it's all about adaptation to an ever-changing environment.
It makes the threats feel even more pressing. When we lose a habitat, we are interrupting millions of years of biological refinement and endangering these delicate survival strategies.
Precisely. That's why international collaboration is imperative. One country cannot solve this alone. We need a coordinated global strategy. We all need to be mindful of our ecological footprint. Thank you for showing such dedicated interest in the biodiversity of our world.
Thank you for sharing such profound knowledge, Dr. Alex. We truly learned the subtleties behind the avian world today.
I think we've covered a lot of ground today, Chloe. I need to process all the new vocabulary, especially structural color and propagation. Let's make it snappy so we can look up more facts about African gray cognition at home.
Time for your phrase boost. Phrase 1. Covered a lot of ground. Meaning, to discuss or deal with many subjects, to achieve a lot. Example, we've covered a lot of ground in today's lecture. Phrase 2. Be mindful. Meaning, to be conscious or aware of something, usually in a careful or sensitive way. Example, we must be mindful of the noise level in the library. Phrase 3. Apex predator. Meaning, the top predator in an ecosystem, having no natural enemies. Example, the peregrine falcon is an apex predator of the sky.
Vocab cheat sheet. Now for the real vocab cheat sheet. Fragmentation, meaning the process of breaking into small, separate parts. Example, habitat fragmentation severely impacts migratory routes. Structural, meaning color caused by microscopic surface structures, not pigments. Example, the Quetzal's structural color makes its feathers highly iridescent. Resilience, meaning the ability to recover quickly from difficult conditions. Example, the bird showed great resilience after flying through the storm. Imperative, meaning absolutely necessary or crucial. Example, international collaboration is imperative for conservation. Ornithologist, meaning the scientific expert who studies birds. Example, the ornithologist used binoculars to observe the rare falcon. And that brings us to the end of our journey into the avian realm. Today, you didn't just learn about swans and parrots. You mastered words like imperative, resilience, and structural color. If this deep dive into biodiversity has boosted your vocabulary, please give this video a like and subscribe to Vibe Vocab Boost for more fluency lessons. Comment below what topic you want Liam and Chloe to explore next. See you soon!